Hi, my name is Farhan. I'm from Community Team Magic, and now I will be guiding you on the registration process of the University Startup Challenge. Before that, thank you so much for being with us today. So before I start, let me explain a bit about University Startup Challenge or USC. USC is a startup experience and pitching competition for students of Malaysian higher learning institutes to develop ideas into actionable solutions by applying the appropriate entrepreneurship learning tools and receive direct guidance from experts through mentorship and advisory sessions. Alright, so now let's go to the demo part. Alright, first log on to mymagic.my/USC and please make sure you have signed up to Magic account before proceed to registration. This is what you will see once you log on to the website, and you can scroll down and look at the station and dates that we have for USC Idea Camp. Pick a date that you want to join and click register now. Q1, choose or create your theme or project or company name. Right, insert your name here. The website for your company or your project. And then a one-liner about your project. Right, and then click create. Q2, which categories are you working or interested in? So we have technological and impact driven. So if your idea or project leverages on innovation technology, so please choose technological. And if your idea or project giving impact to the communities and environmental or social, please choose impact driven. Right, Q3, description of startup project. So this is where you need to provide the information about your startup or your project. So for me, this is what I'm gonna do. Alright, next question is Q4. This is where you need to provide a one-liner about your startup project. So this is what I'm gonna write here. Alright. Q5 is where you need to select an industry that relates to your idea. For example, I will pick education because it is related to what I'm doing. For Q6, you need to provide the startup landing page or website or social media link. Q7 is where you need to upload the pitch deck or your business plan in PDF format. So click choose file, pick your folder and upload. The last question for startup pitch video will be Q8, startup pitch video. So if you have any startup pitch video of yours, please attach the link here. But if you don't have any, it is fine. You can still proceed with the registration. That's all for group details section. Moving on to the next section, participant details will be guided by Hanafi.
Hi everyone, thank you so much Farhan for the brief explanation about how to register your group details in USC. Alright, without further ado, I'm going to guide you throughout these participants' details. Alright, so this section, we basically need you to fill up your full name. So this one based on your IC. So let's say my name is Abdul Rashid. Alright, so next we go to the next section, IC or passport number. So basically I'm a Malaysian, so I just put my IC number. Alright, next, nationality. So basically you can go to this drop box and then you can select your nationality here. So let's say I'm a Malaysian, so put just Malaysia. And then next, race. So as you can see here, you can choose your race on this drop box. Same goes to gender. Alright, so basically next, your contact number. So basically we would like to get in touch with you. So we need your contact number for further communication. Right, same goes to email address. And your mailing address. And then student ID. So basically we would like to identify whether you are active student or not. So we need your student ID. So you can just put your student ID here. And where are you coming from? For sure, you need to put your university. So this one you can put your university address. So basically this one you can get it. I mean the exact address lah. Alright. Okay. Next, faculty. You can just put where you're coming from, which faculty you're coming from. Okay, Faculty of Business, and your current level of studies. It can be from A level to PhD. So you can see from the drop box here. And then this one, we like to know what are your expertise and skills. So it's good if let's say you share with us your talents so that we can share your talents with our ecosystem as well. So you can put here maybe you expert in designing, in maybe marketing or business management. It can be anything that you guys are confident to label yourself. I mean, yeah, your expertise lah. Alright. So next, we would like to know why would you like to join USC? Right. So basically, this one is optional. So you can choose whether you want to answer it or not. But basically, we like to see your intention for joining USC. So yeah, you can just put your purpose of joining USC here. Maybe to learn more about startup development. Alright, so next we go to the next question. What do you expect to achieve after joining USC? So basically this one we like to know your expectations. Maybe I'm a participant, so I expect that I can learn from mentor how to. Alright. So it can be more than one, so you can just list down. And then next, have you joined any program or initiative before? I mean magic programs or initiatives before? If let's say yes, you can put here, maybe you have joined Grill or Chill, for example. Maybe boot camps or webinars. Let's say you didn't join any magic program before, then you can just select no. And then yeah, you didn't need to fill this column. Right, so yeah, there you go. We're done for participant number 1. Right, so after you finish filling up details for participant number 1, then you can proceed with participant number 2 and so on. So you just key in the same information as participant number 1, nothing much different. And then if they say you only have 2 members in your team, then you can just proceed by clicking on this submit button. But before you submit, you need to check our terms and conditions first, and by clicking on this button, meaning that you agree with all the terms and conditions. Alright, so after you read all the terms and condition here, so basically you can see all the clauses and all the details, like this one about cash price, disbursement, obligations, and so on. So after you read all the terms and conditions, you click here, you agree the terms and conditions, and then you just click submit. Alright, so we're done. Alright, that's all for the demo just now. Hopefully the demo will help you throughout the registration process. Yeah, it is so easy for you to register your team and get a chance to win our cash prize up to 10,000 ringgit. Okay, for more information about USC, you can go to our website www.mymagic.my/USC, and if let's say you have more questions or queries, you can email it to us at community@mymagic.my. Yes, I hope to see you guys in USC. Gather your squads, let's build future together. Thank you and stay safe.